Hi, welcome to today's video, part 4 of the level crossing with LCC. I'm going to start off by pointing out that the OpenLCB library, OpenLCB_single_thread, has been updated to version 1.4. And we're going to be using this as our base now to build up on. So if you've already downloaded this library before, as shown in the earlier videos, it will automatically ask you to update it. So here you can say I've got version 0.1.4 installed. Now here I'm in my version on my GitHub repository, and I'm going to be using the examples in here. So I've got 2 examples in there at the moment. So I'm going to suggest we're going to be building it on this one here. AVR 2 Servo NIO. Now this version is slightly different to the one that you find within the main library, as we've done a little tweak which has not gone live yet on that version. So what I would suggest you do to code and then click on download zip. It's going to ask you what you want to call it, so I'll go with this. Okay, it's downloaded. Go to here and extract all. Extract. So even though I can open this here, I wouldn't do this. I would make sure I go up again. So I'm back here because we were still within the extract folder there. So we now need to go into this folder here. And then when we open this example, and again, this is the one we're going to be using. And when we go into here, so within this sketch, we've got our usual, the debug feature we can use. We've got the USB feature we can use. But here we have a new piece of code in here. Now this is because you're using the ACAN 2515 library. And this gives us access to changing the frequency from 8 MHz to 16. We can also change the CS pin from 10 to a different pin if you wish, and the interrupt pin from pin 2. Now for the examples I'm doing at the moment, I'm not using this library, I'm using the old library that was used for the CAN side of it. But when we come down to here, if you still did it within the folder that was the zip one, you will not be allowed to change this number. But we do need it to be on 1. So we need to go compile and upload. So it's just compiling the sketch. And here you can see the memory used within the Arduino Nano. It's uploading and it's now done uploading. So again, we come to here, change this to 0, upload it again, and it's done uploading. Sorry about the ice cream van there, you can tell it's winter here now. We never see the ice cream van all summer, but come the winter time when they want to sell something, they come around our streets. So starting Panel Pro. Again, this will take a few seconds. And here when we go to LCC, configure nodes, here is the node. And this is just going up to full screen. So here you can see our setup. So we've still got our 2 servos, and as I say, we've got these features here which are going to make it a lot easier for me now to do the level crossing example. As I say, I've reached the cut-off point that I like to keep these videos short. Tomorrow I will show you how we teach the events to the node, which makes this a standalone item for you on your layout if you wish, or with the CAN transceiver you can then integrate it with other nodes on your LCB, and away you go. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and thank you for all the people who have liked the last video. This is helping to spread the news within the YouTube algorithm.